So I'm up on Mike and Don's road. Our driveway there. And their gate's right, their gate in is right over here. But anyways, you can see there's still water. It's been a while since it rained. But what they got is they got this mound right here. It's just this clay mound. And what they do is they dig out by hand this ditch. You can see Mike was over here the other day throwing all this stuff up here. And it's working a little bit. I mean, see the water running in there. But the problem is, it's hard to see, you can't see from here, but this ditch is higher than the road. But with the mound there, it lets it go, but it's also seeping through. As you can see, it seeps through into the road here. And it's actually running right here. The water is actually running down the road. It starts, well, it's wet all the way up, but it starts actually really running right here. And what it's doing, it's seeping through. So that ditch has to be lower than the road. Even with the mound there, it seeps through. So my idea is to come through with the tractor and just scoop out this mound. And I can dump it back up in there, hide it up in there, spread it around, hide it, it's just dirt. And then just get in there and just lower that ditch a little. And that way the water will run down. It can't seep across because it's lower than the road. So anyway, once again, the problem is the ditch is higher than the road. And even though it's running down the ditch, it's also seeping across and getting in the road. And they got to put these water bars everywhere. But it's just really wet right here. So anyway, I was just going to do a couple scoops. I wanted to show Don what I was talking about. So I was just going to do a few scoops to start with. I'm going to start here and just bucket out a couple, about 10 feet. And show them what I'm talking about. Because I literally don't do any work over on this road. And I think by rights we're supposed to share the work. So anyway, if you're okay with that, then later on when I come back I'll continue on and do that. So anyway, I'll show you after I get some done.